Welcome to our power supply comparison video. Today, we're diving into the world of power supplies, focusing on two popular models, the Segotep 750W PSU and the CORSAIR RM1000x PSU. Both units are designed for modern gaming systems, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Segotep offers a cost-effective solution with essential features for gamers, while the CORSAIR provides high wattage and premium reliability. Let's explore their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for your next build. Let's start with the price. The Segotep 750W PSU is priced at an attractive $83, making it a great option for budget-conscious gamers looking to build a solid system without breaking the bank. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM1000X comes in at $229, which reflects its premium features and higher wattage. While the CORSAIR offers more power, the Segotep provides excellent value for those who don't need the extra capacity. Next, we look at wattage. The Segotep 750W PSU delivers ample power for mid-range builds, supporting modern GPUs with its 80+ Gold certification. However, for high-end users or those planning to overclock, the CORSAIR RM1000X offers a robust 1000W output, ensuring that even the most demanding systems have enough headroom. This makes the CORSAIRs a better choice for enthusiasts who require maximum performance. Finally, let's discuss warranties. The Segotep 750W PSU comes with a 5-year warranty, which is decent but shorter than what many competitors offer. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM1000X boasts an impressive 10-year warranty, reflecting the brand's confidence in its product's durability and reliability. This extended warranty can provide peace of mind for users investing in a high-end power supply. In conclusion, both the Segotep 750W and CORSAIR RM1000X power supplies have their strengths. The Segotep is perfect for budget-conscious gamers looking for essential features and good efficiency, while the CORSAIR is ideal for high-performance builds that demand more power and reliability. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.